Welcome to my channel Maths Pursuit. Today we will look into the questions from the chapter called Statistics. Hello friends, may I request you to please click on the subscribe button below this video.
The given question here is the median of the following data is 525. Find the value of x and y if the total frequency is 100. And they have given the class interval starting from like 0 to 100, 100 to 200, like this till 900 to 1000. And the frequency they have given like 2, 5, x, 12, 17, 20, y, 9, 7, 4. So here there are two missing values like x and y. So we need to find out the values of x and y. So I have noted down here the question that they have given here on this board, and the given question is like you could see that we have one is class interval and the frequency. So like 0 to 100 the frequency is 2, 100 to 200 frequency is 5, 200 to 300 frequency is x, and like this 500 to 600 frequency is 20, 600 to 700 that is y, and similarly 900 to 1000 that is equal to 4, and summation of fi is equal to 100. That is what they have given, because they have given the total frequency is 100. Okay, so total frequency they have given. Now guys, let us first of all find out the cumulative frequency. Cumulative frequency is nothing but this one will be 2, and I need to add 5 with 2, I can get 7. I need to add this one with 7, which will come to 7 plus x. I need to add 12 with 7, which one will come to 19 plus x. 17 plus 19 is 36 plus x. 20 plus 36 is 56 plus x. Then I need to add this y, which is nothing but 56 plus x plus y, and I need to add this one with 56. I will get 65 plus x plus y, and this 7 I need to add. I will get 72 plus x plus y, and I need to add this 4. I will get 76 plus x plus y. Guys, one thing to note here is that this is the cumulative frequency table. So we very well know that whatever the cumulative frequency, the last value will be this value. The sum total of the frequency, that is 100, or the sum total of this column will be the last value. That means I can write 76 plus x plus y is equal to 100. I hope this is pretty clear, because in a cumulative frequency table the last value will always be the sum total of the previous value or this frequency value. Now I can write x plus y is equal to 100 minus 76, that is equal to 24. Let us keep this one as equation number 1. Now guys, let's see what else we have we know here. The given question, they have given the median as 525. Okay, the question has given us the median as 525, and they have given the total frequency, that is summation of fi is equal to 100. And okay, now median, they have given median as 525. So this is, now they have made our job little bit easy, because we could see that where this 525 lies here in this class interval. If you look here, 525 will definitely lie here. Let me circle this one or highlight this one. So within this class range 500 to 600, our 525 will lie, because this is the median class, and this is 56 plus x is the cumulative frequency of this median class, and frequency of this median class is 20. Now guys, keeping this thing in mind, let us move ahead, and first of all let me note down the formula for median, finding out the median. We know median is equal to L plus n by 2 minus Cf upon f into height. Okay, now let us determine what are the values for one by one. Okay, L is nothing but, L is the lower limit of median class. Our median class here is 500 to 600. So our L value is 500, because the lower limit here is 500 and the upper limit is 600. So we are focused with the lower limit. Now if you look here, we have n by 2. So guys, we know this frequency, the total of this frequency is 100, and we got sometimes we refer it as 2 as n. Therefore, n by 2 is equal to 100 by 2, that is equal to 50. That is one thing. Now, what is CF here? CF, don't mistaken CF as cumulative frequency here. CF here is cumulative frequency of the class before median class. Just be very mindful here. CF here is the cumulative frequency of the class before median class. Okay. So here the cumulative frequency of this median class is 56 plus x. That means our CF here is the cumulative frequency before this median class. That means this one will be 36 plus x. Hope guys this is clear. Be mindful. We know the frequency of this median class is 56 plus x, and here our CF is the frequency before this median class, cumulative frequency before this median class. So the cumulative frequency before this median class is 36 plus x. Now what else? We have frequency f, because in the formula here it is upon f. F here is the frequency of the median class. So here the frequency of the median class is 20. This is the frequency of the median class. This is 20. So we are going to consider this f as 20. And height. What is the class height here? Class height here is 100, or the class interval or the class distance here is 100. Because you could see that 0 plus 100 is 100, 100 plus 100 is 200, 200 plus 100 is 300. Guys, I believe now we got everything that is or that are required for this calculating this median. So let us put the values here and see what we are getting. I can write median is equal to now. Why I will write median? Let me put it here. Median we know 525. 525 is equal to lower limit as 500 plus n by 2 as 50 minus CF. The value of CF here is 36 plus x upon f. Here f is 20 into height. Class height is 100. Or I can write, I will just bring this 500 here. I can write 525 minus 500 is equal to 50 minus 36 minus x. Just I open the bracket. So before the bracket minus is there. So these values will become minus 36 minus x by 20 into 100. Or I can write 525 minus 500 as 25 is equal to 50 minus 36. 50 minus 36 is 14. So here I will write 14 minus x into 100 by 20. Or I can write 14 minus x into 100 by 20. Or I can write this one is, because this 20 and 100 it will cancel out, like 25 is 100. So I can write 25 is equal to 14 minus x into 5. Or I can write 25 is equal to 14 5 4 is 20, 5 1 is 70 minus x. Or I can write 70 minus x is equal to 25, or minus x is equal to 25 minus 70, or minus x is equal to minus 25 minus 70. So what is the value that we will get? 25 minus 70 is 45, or I can write x is equal to 45. So guys, we got the value of x as 45. I think something is missing here, or something wrong I did here. Let's check. 50 minus 36 minus x by 20 into 100. So we till here it is clear. 525 minus 500 it is 25 here. Then 50 minus 36 is 14. 14 minus x into 100 by 20 here. Now here it is 25 is equal to 14 minus x into 100 by 20, or I can write because this 100 and this 20 it will cancel off, or I can write like this, like 25 is equal to, because 25 is 100, so I can write here okay, see, here is the mistake, sorry guys. Okay, see, here is the mistake. We have 14 minus x into 5, so we have 70 minus 5x is equal to 25. Hope this is correct. This 25 is 25, 45 into 14 is 70 minus 5x, or I can write minus 5x is equal to 25 minus 70, or I can write minus 5x, or I can write minus 5x is equal to 25 minus 70 is minus 45. So this minus cancels off. We are left with 5x is equal to 45, or x is equal to 45 by 5, that is equal to 9. Therefore x value is equal to 9 we got. Now we got one value, let me write it down here, x is equal to 9. Now we need to find out the value of y. So how to find out the value of y? Let us look back to our equation number 1. Equation number 1 is x plus y is equal to x plus y is equal to 24. So what we can do in equation, putting the value of x in this equation number 1, we can write like x plus y is equal to 24. This is equation number 1. Or I can write 9 plus y is equal to 24, or I can write y is equal to 24 minus 9, that is equal to 15. So guys, you could see we got the value of y is equal to 15. Sorry guys, it has become little bit clumsy here, but we are almost done. So the two parts, y is equal to 15. So we are able to find out the value of x and y. This is what the question asked us to do, and this is what we found out, the values of x and y as 9 and 15. Guys, this is this calculation is very clear and pretty straightforward. Just you need to remember the formula and put everything in the formula of the median formula, and definitely things will flow automatically. But guys, if you still have any questions or doubts, please reach out to me in the comment section of this video. Definitely I will get back to you once I see your comments. Guys, if you really like my videos, please subscribe. If you really like my videos, I would request you to kindly subscribe and also let your friends know. This will motivate me to create similar videos in the future. Thank you. Bye.